What I have on my screen is actually data that I actually, have inside Power Query that is in Power BI. I'm going to actually use a Microsoft Excel to do this, but let us watch this. So if you look at this particular column right here called date, it is actually on what? It is on unknown data type. It's not date data type. Let us actually try to convert to date. And what you see now is some couple of errors right here, and some of the dates are right while this one is not. So if I click on the error, you can see what the display is right here. This is wrong. So how can you fix this? Let us take this away from here and let me make you understand something. So over here, as you can see, we have this particular part of the Excel data here to give us what type of data is this. So this is actually an US, date format that starts with month, day, and the year. And this particular part here is the UK format. On the UK format, what you have here is actually starting from the day, the month, and the year. Is just like a switch of what we've seen before. So if you have the combination of these two dates inside the data, it's going to be a problem. So going over here to where we have this inside Excel, we have the same issue we have faced inside the Power Query inside Power BI. So the question is this: how do you solve this? Let's do it. Okay, we're going to be demonstrating this with Microsoft Power BI first. This is Power Query inside Power BI. To have this corrected, what you need to do is to make sure you know what your system is being set on. Your system could be a system that is set on the region of the UK or the US, and you receive data that combines the two dates. So come over to this particular part where you have ABC and 1, 2, 3. Click on it and go using this particular part here that says using local. Once you have this up, you are going to actually change this from text to date. And now here is giving you United States. So because my PC is not actually set to United States date format, I have to actually change this to a different region that is my system is set on, and that is the UK date format, right? So let's do it. What you can do is to click over here. And once you come over here now, you can now see you have the United States and you have the United Kingdom here. So we're going to choose the United Kingdom. So which is this one right here. So this has fixed everything for us. All we need to do is to make sure we click on OK. And that has done the fixing 100% for us. So there is no any issue again. So this is now on a date format and there is no error. The validity is 100%. Okay, let's see how we can solve the same thing inside Microsoft Excel. So if your data is in Excel and is not on a table format, you can do Ctrl+T to convert this data into a table, just like this. After you might have done this, to fix this particular date right now, all you need to do is to make sure you click over data, and from data, you are going to click on this particular from table. Now, what Excel is doing now is to actually take the data and pour it inside Power Query inside Microsoft Excel. Once you have done this, the same thing we have done previously is what we're going to do by clicking over here. So change this one from text to date. And from the United States now, we go for the UK. Can you see it now? And click on OK. This is done. So what you can do is to go ahead and close and load. This has opened a new sheet for you where you have the new date format to be correct right here. As you can see, this is how you can actually fix this situation when you actually faced one. So I believe this helps. See you in my other videos.